Runway 5, here I come. Now that is the loudest sound ever.
So, where have you two been?
Daddy told me to see.
He suddenly remembered that Rosie was sleeping, and he had to be quiet.
Oh, sorry, Mommy.
That's okay. Now, what were you saying?
Daddy took me to